Can the Eagle Strike-21, which is less than 10 meters long, really deal with an aircraft carrier that is more than 300 meters long? In fact, the answer is very clear. It is completely possible. Even one shot can make the aircraft carrier lose combat effectiveness, and 2 shots are likely to sink him to the bottom, the core of Eagle Strike. 21's ability to have this strength depends on 2 things. One is our unique all-nitrogen, a Nion explosive, which is currently the strongest conventional explosive. Its power is second only to nuclear explosion, and it has no radiation. The lethality is 2 or 3 times higher than that of ordinary TNT, and the detonation speed is much stronger than that of traditional explosives. Now we can synthesize it and use it in actual combat. The second is his speed, which can reach Mach 10 at the end, 3.4 kilometers per second. The enemy air defense system can't react at all, and it can't stop it if it wants to. It was like a hard object flying at high speed hitting a treasure metal sheet. Even without explosives, this kinetic energy alone could smash through the deck of the aircraft carrier and deform the structure of the ship. If it was paired with the all-nitrogen anionic rock explosive, the power would be even more objective. The deck would be blown up with a big hole, and the steel plate would fly dozens of meters with the debris. The personnel and equipment inside would disappear instantly, and the shock wave would spread along the cabin, blowing up the internal engine room and command room. The aircraft in the hangar will definitely be damaged and burned, but the medicine depot may also follow the news. The impact of this explosive is 30% to 50% stronger than the traditional one,